What's different about us is we focus on how you want to spend your time. How do you want to spend your Saturdays? It's not about cabinets or ceiling racks or wall shelves. It's about the most valuable, precious commodity, which is your time. So today we're at the Austin Gilgroni's Rugby Complex. I hear the boys have made a bit of a mess. We have less than 24 hours to knock this job out before the team comes back.
So welcome to the barn. This is the players' training area.
We're here to performance here with the AGs. So there's sort of our kitchen space for recovering and refueling, and our supplements in the gym, obviously, where we do most of our training, and an equipment sort of storage space where I've got some supplements and a little bit of stuff cluttered that needs a bit of sorting out. And then just in here, the biggest efficiency we can get around our performance is how do we make things cleaner off the floor and give our players like a workflow of the day that just gives them a sequence to follow that makes routine. So routine comes from performance of consistent habits. So if we can give everything a home, then we'll have good habits around where things go and where we know to go and get things. So we'll pop down to the closet first. I'll sort that piece out and then we'll come out to the main areas.
So the plan for this space is I want to get your essential items, your supplements and your proteins closer to the door so you use those every day.
Yep.
And this excess gym equipment, let's get that in the storage container outside, seeing it needs a new home. The plan here for tomorrow is pretty simple. It's just like items with like items, cups with cups, plates with plates, utensils with utensils, supplements with supplements. You hide a non-essential item behind the door. But things that are used often, you store them on something instead of in something. So to me, there doesn't need to be more storage space, it just needs to be used better. Yeah, this project's very doable.
Nice.
We're gonna get you guys a big floor rack. It's gonna be at least 6 feet long, at least 6 feet tall. You'll be able to get most of those tackling dummies and ball bags onto it. So you can easily load up the van or whatever vehicle you have parked outside, less than 5 minutes, and get onto the field. Okay, today's client, the AG Rugby organization. We have 8 rooms, 8 hours to knock it out. Think you can handle it?
Got it.
So the team is here. We're already unloading and getting started, taking some of the worst problematic rooms and disassembling them right now. And we're gonna get our bulk sort underway and get things organized really fast. So Mike doesn't think we're gonna be able to pull it off, but I have a plan. People tend to do the opposite. They put the shelves on first and then they try and fit the products on them. We stage the products and then we put the shelves according to how high the products we're storing on the shelf are. Yeah, so the design principle here is rhythm. We choose to put the same colors on one shelf and a different color on a different shelf, so it looks like 2 objects instead of 14. It's the same principle here. If you look at this space, it's balanced, it's clean, everything's organized, but what the subconscious sees is the symmetry. There was no rhyme or reason to where anything was stored. And then when one of these bins or boxes is depleted, he could re-up that box. You know, we find those little things that need to be addressed and we address them for the clients, and that's why people really love us. In less than 24 hours, we were able to complete the job. Let's see what the boys have to say about it.
We're here at the AG's. We just had Koncept Garage come in and pimp out our facilities, so we're gonna go check it out.
Oh, baby! Check out our cubbies. Here we go, look at this.
Look how organized it is over here.
You killed it, Koncept Garage.
In less than an hour of your time, we'll turn your garage from messy to amazing. And it'll stay organized for at least 12 months, we guarantee it.